Every festive season, we are on a hunt for sweet recipes. And today, I have a delicious treat that you can make during the fasting season. So let's see the recipe for Singhara coconut halwa. The first step is to dry roast some desiccated coconut. I have here half a cup of that. And now let's add it in a pan. Dry roast for 2 minutes on medium or slow flame. Make sure that you don't let the color change. This is nicely roasted, and now make sure you remove it from a hot pan and let it cool down completely. To make this halwa, we need 1 cup of Singhara atta or water chestnut flour. Turn on the flame. So I have here 1 cup of the flour and make sure you sift it. And now in a pan, let's add in ghee. Don't use very thick ghee. 1 cup of Singhara atta or water chestnut flour, and make sure you mix the ghee and the flour properly. The trick about making a well-cooked halwa is always in roasting the flour in the ghee. So make sure you keep stirring it patiently and cook it for at least a good 8 minutes. As you can see, the color and the consistency has changed. The flour is nicely roasted, and now I'm going to add in 2 cups of hot water. Make sure the water is nice and hot. Be very careful while adding the hot water because it splashes and splutters everywhere. Stir vigorously to break all the lumps. As you can see, it's become nice and fluffy. And now into this, I'm going to add in 1 cup of sugar, also the roasted desiccated coconut. Give this a good mix. And now we need to cook this halwa till the ghee separates. I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes on very low heat. Add in half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and mix it well. And this halwa is ready. Let's serve this in a dhron. Garnish with some pistachio flakes and some almond flakes. You can make this as a prasad for your pujas during this festive season. Do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.